Anya-aya.
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 Pagkakatawaan nga agkakaruba.
Anya-aya.
Pangsutsutil ka dagiti politiko nga agkakapusaksaken, agkakataraki.
Anya-aya.
Anya-aya.
Ray-rayaw ti aldaw, aperme iti gargaragga.
Anya-aya.
Anya-aya. Programa nga umay mangrayrayaw kada kayo. Mangsussutil kadigita kaunggan nyo. Mangragragsak kadigita malidlidayan na puspuso yo. Umay kayo ang kaaruba tatinggen. Tigargaragik a programa dito'y RPN Radio Ronda. Sa Istres 9 apag pusipusan kadigita radyo. Umay mangparparagsak ken manglilinay kadigita in kayulutlutten. Da inadi. Rudy T. Ken Hanibi. Kadwada pa'y Dalulo Rocky Ken Lola Beshi. Magrugi kada oras iti alas 10 iti bigat aging gana alas 12 iti tingna di aldaw. Lunes aging gana iti biyernes nito'y nalataken kaunaan a radyo ti Kailokuan. Anya-aya.
Walang pikunan, walang personalan. It's just pagkakatawahan lang.
Yes, good morning Ilocanja, good morning Philippines, and good morning International. Because we have here international advocates sa music and health. My God, I'm just so excited. Today is December 8. This is Inadi together with Doc Hani Tamayo. Without further ado, and then meron na, nasa screen na natin, nasa TV console na natin, the very, my God, sila yung the most sought after pagdating sa mga corporate events, upcoming, sila yung mga nagiging bukang bibig ng mga millennials natin because of their collaborations ng kanilang mga songs na very in. Pasko na kasama ka is very sentimental for me. Caleb Santos together with Hazel Faith, awarded by the P-Pop Awards, recently concluded award giving body Female Star of the Night. Ayan. Di ba? But, bago tayo dumako doon, na-excite tuloy ako. Doc Hani, ikaw nga munang mag-introduce. Introduce yourself.
I introduce myself. Anyway, good morning sa lahat po ng mga watchers po namin and subscribers po namin sa Anya-aya, our NGT Multimedia Services. Of course, good morning to Sir Dan and our technical department. Javer Thomas, our very single and our very hardworking technical department. Our IT na nag-iisa, kahit nag-iisa lang yan, hindi ko ipagpapalit sa iba, di ba? And of course, sa lahat po ng mga manunood ngayon, I'm excited because I will see and we will interview the most lovely couple. Hindi lang po sila lovely, kundi talented. Ano pa? Guwapo at maganda. This couple are so sweet. I met them personally and I mingled with them, Sir Dan, when we had the Wasaya Award in Cebu. And I never thought this artist, di ba, mga artista talaga, na napaka-humble, napaka-simple, Sir Dan. Hindi ko akalain talaga na itong mga dalawang lovely couple na to na very young at that ay makakaminggal mo sila normally na walang kaartehan. Kung ano yung kakainin mo, kakainin nila. Kung ano yung nasa harap nila, yun sila. And, alam mo, grabe tong mag-asawan to, tong mag-sweetheart na to, super duper, may takot sa Diyos, mahal nila ang Diyos, and they dedicate themselves not only with God, but to the people they mingle with. Alam mo yon, kaya sabi ko, alam mo, they're so blessed. Alam ko na Hazel just received the award previous nights. Di ba previous nights lang, di ba Hazel? So, deserve niya yun. So with Caleb, no? Ang galing-galing lang kumanta. Yung Pasko kasama mo, lagi kong pinapakinggan yan. Di ba? And of course, yung kilig-kilig, pag kumanta na kasing dalawang yan, Sir Dan, ay grabe, makikilig-kilig ka talaga at our age, nako. Naamin ko na tumatanda na ako. Makikilig ka talaga yung tipong the way they execute their song, yung mga lyrics, talagang makikilig ka, Sir Dan. And so with Caleb, yung kanta niya na sikat na kinakanta ng kabataan, alam mo yun?
That's true.
Yung tipong, ano title nun, Caleb?
I Need You More Today po.
Yeah, I Need You More. Grabe, alam mo, alam na mga kabataan yung kanta niya. When I was traveling in Nueva Ecija, pinatugtog ko yung mga kanta niyo. Hala, yung mga kabataan. Alam nila, my God, sabi ko, sikat pa ng dalawang to.
Yes.
Diba?
Hey,
They're
Hazel, Faith, and Caleb, i-greet muna natin yung ating ang ating mga watchers here, mga kailokanuhan, dahil maraming nag-aabang sa inyo. When I posted my FB, yung post ko kanina, that we will be having an interview with this famous couple, ang dami nang nanonood sa aking FB at ang dami nang nag-aantabay. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, our very, very guests na talaga namang super talented. They are all artists. Mga artists sila in their own rights, and they are the upcoming duo when it comes to music, musicians sila. They're very talented, and yan na nga. Caleb Santos and Hazel Faith, welcome to Anya Aya Ilocano.
Hi,
Hello
salamat po for inviting us here. We're truly excited kung ano pong live event natin today. And salamat po kay Doc Honey for inviting us.
Opo, salamat. Tama ba?
Kaya nga, thankful tayo kay Doc Honey dahil ang dami niyang nakikilala when it comes to leisure, pleasure, and business rolled into one. Nagiging entertainment na rin yung NGT Health and Wellness. How is that, Doc Honey? Kaya nga, my first question sa couple, Doc Honey, is kindly tell us your humble beginnings. Siyempre, hindi naman kayo ipinanganak na ikinasal na agad o kaya couple na, di ba? To Caleb and to the both of you, please share us your humble beginnings when it comes to music.
Ako
Kamu
na.
naman.
Yes po, I was a former member of the first P-pop boy group here in the Philippines, Accelerate. So, dati po sa Party Pilipinas po kami. Kami po yung unang boy band na nilabas sa Philippines. So, under the genre of P-pop. So, after po nun, I decided to follow na kung ano yung passion ko. Kasi dun ko nalaman na music pala. From nursing. Actually, nursing ako bago ako nag-artista. So, dun ko nalaman na yun na yung passion ko. So, I shifted to music. I studied music technology in Silliman University sa Dumaguete. And pagbalik ko po dito sa Manila, kinuha rin po ako ng Viva as actor. So, I've done workshops din and all. And after po nun, my song was used in as the official soundtrack of a movie called Isandang Tula para kay Stella. So, kasama rin po ako doon sa movie na yun. Nasa Netflix po yun. And doon ko po na-meet si Mrs. I mean, second time actually. First time ko siya na-meet, ang role namin, TV5 naman, sa Wattpad, ay fiancé. So, tinotoo ko na.
Tinuotoo na talaga. How about Hazel Faith? Are you into musical or the artistic family?
Actually, wala po akong connection in any way sa showbiz when I got into it. I was studying architecture when I won Glee Off to Hollywood, which is a contest po on TV about how much of a fan you were of the show Glee. And nanalo po ako. And the people in that station decided i-vlog nga natin yung prize ni Hazel Faith. So my prize was, pupunta po ako sa States, tapos makikita ko yung studio nila, mamimit ko yung cast, and I'll have a little walk-on role behind the scenes. Like mag-extra po ako sa Glee. So they shot that, they vlogged it, put it on the internet, nag-viral, and it went all over the news. Medyo dahil po doon, napasok tuloy ako sa show business. So people kind of found out about me. Pero hindi ko po inintend na mag fully showbiz. I finished my studies first. I finished as a BS Architecture sa Mapua Institute of Technology. And nung nagpa-practice na po ako ng architecture, doon ako na engganyo na mag-extra, mag-talent somehow, sa mga teleserye, sa mga movies. That's where I got discovered by the director, Jeffrey Jitorian. He is the director of Be Careful With My Heart. So he got me into a movie with with
Vilma.
the Governor Vilma Santos, extra debit player. And after that, he brought me to mainstream television, Be Careful with My Heart, as best friend ni Maya. And after that, nagdire-diretso po ako as an actress, but my real passion was songwriting. So while I was acting, I was using I entered the Himig Handog P-pop love songs, which is a songwriting competition. I entered it as a normal person lang po, walang connections or anything. I entered as my full name pa nga eh, walang screen name. And they liked the song. It got into the finals, and they decided na ako na lang din po ang singer nung kanta. So that became my parang big debut, big debut in music industry. Araneta, grabe.
First performance, Araneta.
So it was a big hello everybody, I'm Hazel Faith. Parang ganun po. And then after that, tried to continue my career as a songwriter, but people were still a little not sure to invest in my songs. So I ended up being my own singer. so ano po, I became a singer because I wanted to put my songs out there. So ayan po, from there on, nagdire-diretso na po. And I met my husband on set as my fiancé nga po, sabi nga po niya kanina. And niligawan niya ako a year later.
Diba?
Tama.
Pinag-pray ko ng malala.
All were meant to be. All were meant to be. You have this innate talent, talagang raw talent talaga ever since. Si Caleb, nursing. Ikaw, architecture. Then eventually, yung transition, you transcended, guys, into something great talaga na in which you followed your dreams, you dreamed, and you hit it big. Tama?
Amen po. Oh, actually, it's the Lord really. The Lord really directed the whole thing. Kasi kung kami po kung tatanungin niyo po kami, pareho po kaming magsasabi na hindi naman namin pinlanong maging musicians. Hindi naman
Dito
po
sa
namin.
lugar na to ngayon.
Opo. Hindi namin in-expect kasi we only loved music, and our parents encouraged us very much to use music for the church, yung ganun. So nahahasa lang po kami sa choir namin, sa church namin. We never imagined we would be having careers as musicians, pero the Lord made ways po talaga.
Yes, yung incorporation ng religion and the faith and destiny, talagang nag-collaborate talaga lahat yan, including yung paniniwala natin kay God. So really it is. Your talent is God-given, and I do appreciate individuals na talaga namang they really follow their dreams, they follow their parents, yung mga parents na nakikinig sila, right? Nakikinig sila sa mga parents, and that is how I saw you guys. You are very young couple, pero God is in the center of their lives. Doc Honey. Ang galing, diba?
Naniniwala ako doon. Alam mo, meant to be sila kasi they prayed that much. Sila pareha nagpo-pray na sino siya sana, ganyan. Wish for each other. Yun yung kwento sa akin ni Hazel. Kaya alam mo, masaya ako nung I met this couple, this lovely couple. Sabi ko, ibang-iba yung story nila, and the destiny nila is into music. They dedicate too much themselves to music, to God, and to the people they serve. Alam mo yun? Ganon, Sir ay inadi ang kanilang role dito sa buhay na to.
Ang galing nga. So another question coming from dito sa aking messenger. Sabi niya dito, Caleb and Hazel Faith, how do you handle pressure, travels, success, and yung mga pagpe-perform ninyo?
Marami na.
Nangyayari po yan ngayon. Kasi
Ibig sabihin is,
ngayon.
how do you separate yourself from the industry that you are into to your personal lives? Caleb, paano?
Kami po kasi may certain time talaga kami para sa mga sarili namin. And kahit po busy po kami, hindi po nawawala yung devotion, yung lalo na yung sa pamilya, yung sama-sama kasi pag once po na nawala yun, parang kinain ka na ng trabaho eh. Importante po yun, lalo na po sa spiritual, emotional mo, Hindi lang yung physical. Kasi importante po lahat yun na mag-combine. And yun po. So, time management po. Tapos, kami po hindi po namin talaga nilalagay sa isip namin na nandito na kami. Kumbaga, alam mo yun, we have to put ourselves or humble down ourselves every time. Kasi po, gusto po namin si Lord ang itinataas namin every time na may ginagawa po kami sa buhay.
And sobrang thankful din po namin kasi we are surrounded by good people. We are surrounded by people who knew us even before we were in show business. So we are constantly reminded of who we really are, not what other people think about us. So natutuwa po kami and very thankful po kami sa mga supporters, sa family namin, sa friends namin who have always been there.
And it's easier now kasi nga po, we're married. So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-travel ng 2 hours. 2 hours papunta, 2 hours pabalik.
Sa panliligaw, right?
Para lang magdala ng price pati ng drinks.
Ang galing naman. Ang galing naman. Yung ethics, the professionalism, hindi na affected because you do not wait for each other na kasi
Yes.
you live together na pag merong gigs, labas na tayong dalawa.
Mas mabilis.
Mas mabilis na, right? Unlike before. Dokani, mag-question ka naman sa kanila.
Actually, wala na ako question sa couple na to kasi I've been with them for several days. Ang
Robin
dami
Elbos.
nilang kwento.
Ako na lang. Kasi ang dami na nanonood. And then we'll get to share this. My God, baka aabot ito ng maraming shares. Maraming shares. Mamomonetize ko yata yung aking FB and my Reels today. Pero lang. Ito, series of questions na mga mga one-liner or you can expound, guys. What is your advice to someone who has just started her or his singing career? Sa mga kabataang millennial, mga millennials na magaling kumanta, ano yung magiging advice as ate and kuya to them?
Sa akin po, importante na mas mag-focus kayo sa skill and sa talent nyo kesa sa appearance ninyo. I think marami po sa mga bagong dating ngayon have that skill pero nadidistract sila ng mga social medias and followers and viewers and stuff like that. And I think that that's not really the most important thing. I think mas importante yung quality of your work, the quality of your sound, and what you put out there, the message that you put out there. So I think ang advice ko po sa younger ones who want to enter into this industry and lalo nyo pang palakihin yung talent nyo, work at it, do your best because the people who are at the top are working their hardest para mabigay yung the best para sa mga believers ninyo.
Tama. Oo nga. Sige, Caleb, go.
I would like to add naman po as music producer naman po, no? Being a singer po, kailangan po you have to find your own sound, no? Sorry, nanonood po kami ng live namin. Live natin. But yeah, as a music producer po myself, nung bago ko umabot dito sa sa pwesto na to is hinanap ko po talaga yung sound ko. Coming from a boy band na pop, sabi ko parang hindi lang ako to. Kumbaga, kaya ko pang incorporate na acoustic, alternative rock, yung lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa buhay ko, yung gusto kong sound, yung pinapakinggan ko, yung mga idols ko, Jason Mraz, Bruno Mars, yung mga ganyan, Gary V. Yun yung hinahanap ko, yung inspiration ko, at yung magiging tunog ko. Na pag narinig nyo po, ay, si Caleb yun, ay, si Hazel yun. Yun po yung common na nahihirapan ng mga singers na hanapin, yung tunog mo. And also, lalo po sa songwriters, yung sulat mo. Kasi pag sulat mo yung kanta, mas mabibring out mo yung
That's true.
yung the best, no? Na may explain mo kung saan nanggaling yung emosyon nitong kantang to. So yun po, find your own sound. No?
Yeah, individuality and you need to believe in yourself na meron kang kakaibang talent na ibibigay, right?
Totoo.
Ito. Medyo lang ako I know guys you are still learning a lot dito sa ating industry, sa music industry. So is it important for a young breed of singers like you guys to study old music? the old music industry, or you just go forward to your own era right now as millennials?
Ako po, personally, I have a story about that. Kasi I was doing both ways. When I started, I had all these innovation sounds that I wanted to bring because I only listened to what was on the mainstream. And then when I got further into the industry, nagulat ako, meron palang iba't ibang genre that we have all over the Philippines, and not just Tagalog, but in all the languages of the Philippines. Kaya sabi ko, wow, na-humble ako actually na na-realize ko there's so much diversity in Filipino music. So I started researching not just different language of OPM, but also deeper into the history of OPM, where it started, how it moved forward, and it gave me a deeper love for our language. It gave me a deeper love for our culture. Kaya I think mas richer yung music ko ngayon. However, even if it doesn't sound like the old OPM, even if it sounds more forward now, it still has that respect and appreciation for the past, because na-inspire ako eh. Na-amaze ako sa talent ng Filipinos before me eh. So, yeah, I think it's really important then to look back in order to move forward.
Yes, same po. Actually, ano naman, paatras tayo ngayon eh. Yung mga gustong sound ngayon ng kabataan and also yung mga trending, no. Medyo napapansin nyo po, minsan ginagamit, tawag doon lo-fi. Yung mga tipong parang tunog radyo. Yung di ba po, parang bumabalik tayo sa ano. So, importante po yun ngayon na makinig tayo dun sa mga luma nating mga kanta and i-incorporate po natin to a new sound para po mas lumabas yung pagka-OPM.
Yes, we Filipinos are very innovative. Innovative yun. From the past, move tayo ng present and medyo may pagka-futuristic. Ang ano lang kasi is when we go to international scene, medyo nakikita ko yan because I always read about international artists, yung kanilang mga simple and humble beginnings. Gaya ni na Regine Velasquez, solo performers, yung mga couple din na ganyan. Meron tayong distinct talaga na voice sa Asia. Filipinos are really great singers. Kaya I really love you guys because you were able to touch the millennial that you have right now. Yung bang ano, because you are all artists. Medyo may pagka anong ang mga artists eh. Minsan yung ang tawag namin dyan mga Beckys, medyo may pagka-aning-aning tayo minsan ng mga artists, di ba?
Yung sariling mundo ba?
Meron tayong sariling mundo, meron tayong pagka-OC, merong tendencies na gano'n, but I see you as an OPM couple na talaga namang you are making waves, guys. Yung Pasko na, ano na yung Pasko
kasama mo.
Yes, moving forward tayo, Pasko kasama ka, oh my God, nagra-run out of time tayo ng ano, Saber, we are running out of time, sabi niya dito. So, ganito na lang, Sir Rolly T, parang naikwento rin naman nila ng lahat din ng mga naging buhay nila and their kind of music, si Caleb and Hazel Faith. Any question, then bago tayo mag-extra for this couple? Sir Rolly, may question ka ba?
Hi, hello. Good morning.
Morning po.
Hazel. Pasensya na, medyo isnab ako nung nasa Cebu tayo eh. Hindi mo na
No problem.
Pero deep in my heart, alam mo, mahilig din ako sa music. Lahat kami ng mga pamilya may marunong humawak ng mga instrumento. Pero sa akin kasi, mostly voice ako kasi wala akong wala kang other people eh. Kaya medyo mataas yung boses ko.
Oh.
Eventually, nasabi ko kay Hazel last time na nag-text kami, I have also a composition. Kasi that was 15 years ago, matagal na. Kasi before, kinukuha namin, kung if you remember Shackle, kilala kami noon, kami yung kumukuha sa kanila. And then, suddenly, na-inspired ako sa mga kanta nila. It is a canto song, pero deep inside maganda yung laman. So, nakagawa rin ako ng ganun, pero sabi ko, there are times siguro hindi ko magawa-gawa eh. And suddenly, nandyan kayo, baka siguro ito yung opening na pwede kong ibigay, baka pwede niyo akong tulungan. Later
Totoo
on.
yan. Meron tayong mga nakikilalang mga tao sa ating buhay and I believe that. Meron tayong nakikilala sa ating buhay na we are destined
Yeah.
to have this, ano ba yun? Merong energy na talaga namang kusang lumalapit sa atin. I think there will be a second edition for this interview. Medyo mabibitin tayo because FB is now giving a signal that it will end in 10 minutes. Future ng music industry according to Caleb and Hazel Faith, ano yung future? What are your plans, your upcoming albums, concerts, TV shows, gigs? Go, 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 guys.
Actually, hindi bago nila sagutin yan, ako muna, ini-endorse ko na for the, in a near future, sila yung magiging endorser natin sa TV.
Perfect!
TV ko.
Wow.
Kasi dati,
Thank you.
meron pa kami dati, pero sa kasabing palad, medyo hindi maganda yan.
Not meant to be.
So, perfect timing siguro.
Yes, totoo yan.
Okay, go.
But
Caleb.
yeah,
Caleb,
looking in the
Hazel Faith.
future po, ano po, definitely hitting international music scene. Dahil yun po talaga ang pangarap namin sa OPM to reach that place and mapakita sa mundo na kaya din po ng Pilipino. And
Marunong din kumanta si Inadi. Kumakanta rin yan.
Kumakanta ka
Sakto
ng-
po kasi in the future as well, we already have a studio set up and we are already making music for other artists as well. We're writing songs for them, producing songs for them. So kung kayo po ay gusto ninyo ng mga na we would write for you, we could do that. We produce your song for you.
collaborations.
We could do that, yeah. And in future naman po for my music as well, I am working on a lot of collabs with people. My first collab is out now, Pasko Kasama Mo, featuring Jericho Arceo, also an outspoken young artist na Christian as well. So, and more music coming soon. Ano pa ba?
Marami po silang abangan next year. Kasi nga
Yes.
po,
Yes, marami tayong aabangan kay
Hanip
Caleb
players na.
Santos together with Hazel Faith. Pwedeng bigyan natin ng isang matinding pre-Christmas greetings ang lahat ng mga Ilocano na sumusubaybay sa inyong dalawa. They look up to you guys as couple na God-fearing, you are kind-hearted, and thank you so much for the indulgence and generosity. Please say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all the Ilocanos na.
1, 2, 3, go.
Merry Christmas to all. I'm Happy New Year. Wait lang. Okay.
Ulitin nyo!
1, 2,
Ulitin!
3. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all Ilocanos.
There.
Yes. We love you guys.
Ayan, thank you so much. Na Ilocano, Anya Aya, Doc Heini Tamayo, the CEO of NGT Health and Wellness, the CEO of the NGT Multimedia, and to our international TV affiliates, Global Pinas TV, and BBN Network, Caleb Santos, together with the gorgeous and beauteous wifey. I need to see you guys soon. Hazel Faith, pwedeng kumanta ka ng isang linya lang ng Pasko Kasama Ka, go, go, go.
Pasko kasama mo, Pasko kasama mo,
Sasagutin naman ni Caleb yung pinakamaganda niyang kanta.
Pasko kasama mo, Panginoon.
O mag-kiss na kayo. Mag-kiss na.
Oh, Inadi, meron ka ng producer, Inadi.
Nainggit tuloy
Meron ka
ako.
din namin, Gerald.
Nainggit tuloy ako.
Yeah.
Ay nako, I do appreciate this couple and I really stalk. I really get to see their profile. Tiningnan ko sila. Lahat ng mga comments are very positive. Lahat ng mga views. Congratulations, guys. And
Thank you
I
po.
so thank you kay Lord because He gave us this opportunity to see each other and to have a chit-chat, quality time always for La Ilocano. Anya Aya, say your extra words na, guys. Extra. Go, go, go.
I would like to thank everyone po and lalo po kay Doc Hani din po. And salamat po sa lahat ng nanood dito, lalo po sa mga Ilocanos. Sana po makita po namin kayo either this year or next year. Sana makabisita po kami dyan. And
Okay, say I
maraming
love
salamat
you.
po sa
Say
inyo.
I love you, Ina D.
I love you, Inadi.
Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Shout out
And
na
we
rin
get
po
to see each other. Time is running out and I'm still waiting. Sabi ng menudo. I'm so lost without you, I could
Yan ang
die.
local version ni Kwan. Yan ang local version ni ano ba 'yon?
Ano na?
Sa Itbulaga.
Yeah. Kaya naman, I'll get to see you and thank you so much for the opportunity
Kay.
to have you guys.
Meron po tayong
Thank you,
meron tayong
thank you.
viewers galing Japan. Hiroki,
Wow.
hi.
Hiroki-san,
Ayan.
Steph, hi. JP, Talisa, hi.
Thank you
Digital-
very much. Thank you so much,
Thank you po.
guys.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
so much. At ayan guys, si Caleb Santos at saka si Hazel Faith, these two couple are really inspiring us to be good, to do good, and to share the talent that we have. We need couples like them to share kung ano yung meron sila, kung ano yung their faith in God and their millennial outlook in life together with their great positive outlooks, and kudos to you. Kudos to you. Kudos to you. Thank you so much, Doc Honey. Thank you so much, Sir Rolity. And mabuhay. Wala na tayong oras for the FB Live. Thank you so much, Ilocanos. Bye. May part 2 ito. There will be a part 2 of this.
Yourself and your loved ones from COVID-19. Give them the best nutrients to your family, your PPE inside your body. Doc Honey's Tibicus is a combination of probiotics, prebiotics, and enzymes used as a supplemental health drink formulated to support the immune system and regulates body functions. Doc Honey's Tibicus is FDA approved, halal certified, and DOST assisted. Formulated by the most decorated and awarded locally and internationally, Dr. Marilu Hani Beras Tamayo, Doctor of Ministry in Alternative Medicine, licensed acupuncturist, and the President of the Integrated Naturopathic Association for Asia and Pacific. She's also a member of the Diabetes Society of the Philippines. Doc Honey's Tibicus. Diyan ka bubuti, diyan ka gagaling.
Ako nga 2 years old. Anxiety, bukti, pusuna, activity, pag-alas ko. Ako tinitilak na hininikat ko. Kay baga ni Doc, kay marikititi ko. Kasi niya po nalaingin, awanay niya bukti pusunan. Kaya very active pa rin. Hindi nga makapangon. Ang ida, tapos simata na, ang lulalakan, hanga mga puti. Hindi lang sikikili ko. Kasi na ako, very active ka lang. Alay ko na sa akin. Kasi siya, yes, lalak-lalak hindi. Yung kasi na akong medyo adalit basit eh. Kaya lang na sikikili ko si Doktora, ano tama.
Anyaya.
Anya-aya.
Pagkakatawaan nga agkakaruba.
Anya-aya.
Pangsutsutil kadagiti pulpolitiko nga agkakapusaksaken agkakataraki.
Anya-aya.
Ray-rayaw ti aldaw aperme iti gargaragga.
Anya-aya. Programa nga umay mangrayrayaw kada kayo. Mangsussutil kadigita kaunggan nyo. Mangragragsak kadigita malidlidayan na puspuso yo. Umay kayo ang kaaruba tatinggen ti gargaragik a programa ditoy. RPN Radio Ronda sa Istres 9 apag pusipusan kadigita radyo. Umay magparparagsak ken manglilinay kadigita in kayulutlutten da inani. Rolity ken Hanibi. Kadwada pay daluluraki ken Lola Beshi. Magrugi kada oras iti alas 10 iti bigat agin gana alas 12 iti tinga daw. Lunes agin gana iti biyernes nitoy nalataken kaunaan a radyo ti Kailokuan. Anya Aya.
Walang pikunan, walang personalan, it's just pagkakatawanan lang.